Buttermere can be found 26 miles off junction 40 of the M6 and is situated towards the head of the valley of River Cocker and is surrounded by fells. Notably, the Highstyle Range to the southwest, Robinson to the northeast, Fleetwith Pike and Haystacks to the southeast and Grassmoor to the northwest. The walk itself around the water is 4.5 miles in length, and when recording this in December 2022 was not the walk I intended on doing, which past me will explain why in a moment.
Hi. So, you catch me here at the bottom of Honister Pass, which the plan today was to go up Dale Head and to park up at the Honister Slate Mine car park, which would have been nice and easy and nice and straightforward. And there's a big reason for it, which I'll mention later on. But unfortunately, we come around here. You can see over there. Yes, it's not quite advised. And unfortunately, I don't have a massive 4x4. So I'm not going to try that. So what I'm going to try instead is just enjoy the sights and scenes that I can get to instead. In the form of Buttermere and Crummock Water as well, which is just ahead here. Should we get going? Come on. So this is going to be a lot of an easier walk than what I was expecting to do, because I was going to go up to Dale Head, which even from the Honister Slate Mine car park is a bit of an incline. And the reason why I was doing it, or the reason why I decided a couple of days ago, of course, the weather's going to be bright enough at least, and get some stunning views up there. And the reason for it, or the main reason, is it's where some of my dad's ashes are scattered. And this week, in a couple of days' time, commemorates 4 years since he passed. 4 years, bloody hell. So yeah, 4 years since he passed, and I miss him dearly. But of course, it's the walks that I do, and I just to celebrate his life, which is wonderful. And I love that he's given this to me. Just to go, there you go, Jace. And I know for the Cloffer Pike one, I did a little introduction. I absolutely adore the fact that he's given me this passion, or shared his passion for walking with me when he was around. And if I can get the same innings that he did, and if this is one of the reasons, good. I shall be doing it a lot more often. I'm going to be honest. The amount of shots I'm taking and having fun with the drone coming through the trees there, I'm never going to get this walk done. I'm far too distracted of how gorgeous it is around here, and even though it's Thursday, there's a fair few people out as well, actually appreciating it. Anyway, on with the walk. So, considering this is a consolation walk, it's not the worst second prize I've ever had. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous today. It's a bit slippy underfoot, weirdly enough, considering all the weather, all the frost we've been having with the build up to Christmas 2022. And the snow, obviously, because that's why I couldn't get up to Honister Pass. But this is just what the doctor ordered. Absolutely. Oh, that was some really good footage. I hope, anyway. Chances are I might do two versions of this walk. One of nothing but the drone footage, because I love that little bit between the trees and I didn't crash it. And then going over this water here. Oh, it has been a day of surprises. And as I said before, consolation walk. Oh, it's been wonderful. But yeah, let's get back to it. Right, enough flying with that drone. Chances are I'll get too cocky. And there's a lot of water there for drone to dip in. So let's just stick to the 360 camera now and finish off this jolly old ramble. Now then, here's your new feature. I say new, it's ancient. I just haven't seen it before. God, if I'm out of breath for this, I would have been a sweaty, hot mess trying to get up Dale Head. I took the north way in because I was concerned the incline towards Honister Pass from the Keswick end, it's even steeper. So if it's closed this side, it's definitely going to be closed that side. But yeah, and of course going towards Keswick, you drive past Blencathra, which I really want to do. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, I might need to be a lot fitter first. I was out of puff trying to get up over Clopper Pike. So, get the cardio going, show you some more walks. That's the plan. Well, we've made it back to the car park. And it still says road closed. Although an Audi's just passed me and it's just going to give it that good old college try up the Honister Pass. Good luck. Anyway, second choice walk, but I'm not complaining one iota. It was absolutely gorgeous. And I will try my utmost to continue to find second choice walks, no. As good a walk as I can find for Robinson's Rambles. So, if this is the sort of thing that you like, please give the programme a like. Light went off, so yeah. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and I will continue to do some guides around the Lake District and Northwest in general. Ingleton Waterfalls is one I've been wanting to do. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, let's sing some warmth in the car. Whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, have a great one. See you soon.